it tangles you up tight. He's a natural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high. As if free from all troubles, your back stays nice and dry.
But my bottoms and bubbles
You keep paddling like the clappers. Just keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and calm. Just beneath the surface, you may struggle to get by.
but nothing can deter you if you hold your head up high.
That looks much better.
Mama, what did you mean when you said I wasn't like my brothers and sisters? What is different?
Well, for one thing, I'm sure you can swim much better than they can.
Do you think so? What else?
Well, you have to remember, it's what's on the inside that matters, and it's not about what's on the outside.
What's marmalade?
It's sort of an orange preserve, often found on toast.
What's marmalade?
Oh my, Ida. Now listen very carefully, love. I want you to walk towards me very slowly. No sudden moves.
What are you quacking about?
Something behind you. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
Ugh, I've created a monster.
He's not a monster. He's just not your normal run-out-of-the-mill pond duck. That's all.
That's all? That's all? Ida, I have a reputation.
And I wouldn't go bragging about it if I were you.
I'm scared.
I tell you, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
See? He didn't even flinch. Now, I want you all to get spruced up. I'm going to take you to the duck yard to meet the other members of the pond and become educated in the ways of the world. Drake, don't stare at him.
Look at him.
Now then, children, let's make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still we won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Now, follow me and stay close to me at all times. And don't wander away, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Legs are big and his knees are not. Look at him.
That was obviously eggshell shock.
Bet the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
Look at me, look at you. What's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
One time we all laugh and stop.
Haven't you seen a reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off.
Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop.
Now, in a few moments, you will be introduced to Grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you notice that she has a red band of cloth around her leg. This is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she is looked up to by both man and animal.
Now, don't turn your toes in, just bow your head politely and say, "Mwah."
Wet. Wet. Wet.
Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you've done? You're to blame. This duck yard would be so boring if we all looked the same.
Look at him. And be thankful that he's not your kid. And we got him as a brother. Look at him. Look at him. About to go the way that Dodo did. And he's worse than any other. Body work designed to show. Prospects pretty dim. He should form a solo flock. Look at him. Look at him. You'll agree. Anywhere you look will be less grim.
It's just made to read.
And a glimpse of this whip of wisps. Look at him.
Congratulations, Ida. They're delightful.
Oh, thank you, Your Grace.
Now, tell me, that one in the back, what happened to him? He's not your classic Beatrice Potter, is he?
I wish the other ones wouldn't pick on him so. He'll turn out all right as he gets older.
Yes, well, the other ones are a triumph, my dear. I only wish I could raise brood of my own this year.
Oh, I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly.
Yes, he was a fine duck, the mandarin. But alas, he became crispy and aromatic before his time. Still, life goes on. Now, I understand Maureen saw the children from the farmhouse throwing French bread into the water.
You have to try it. It's much better than the usual stuff. Even the crust of this.
Yes, Maureen, it's delicious. Come, children, try this.
Make way for the red-banded duck. Oh, Ida, you're really going to have to do something about that honk.
Croissants! You're back. You're too big for your age already.
That's not fair. I want some bread too. I'm going to do it. Honk! If they knew just how dearly I would love to. But it's true. I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't scary. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't spiteful. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock.